guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella of Bella Care, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ginger shot. What is a ginger shot? A ginger shot is a drink made from ginger. So how do you make a ginger shot? That is what I'm going to show you. That is how I'm going to show you. But let me show you the ingredients. I have here the ingredients to make the ginger shot. First, I have honey. You can use whatever honey you like. This is the one I bought from the store. I have here lemon. You will need 2 of these. And I have an apple. And you will also need 2 of these. And I have here, oh, this says paprika, but it's cayenne pepper, okay? This says paprika, but do not put paprika in your thing. It's cayenne pepper. I grabbed the wrong thing. And the main ingredient, ginger. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make. And I just want to tell you a little bit of the benefit of a ginger shot. It's a drink. And oh, by the way, I have here a shot glass. This is just to take a little shot. You can drink it from whatever glass you have. So ginger has a lot of health benefits. And this shot is mainly for boosting your immune system. And we all know during this time of Corona, we need to boost our immune system to be able to fight off different kind of diseases. So ginger is packed with a lot of minerals. It has vitamin B3, B6, it has iron, it has potassium, it has carbohydrate, it has magnesium and zinc, among other vitamins. So you see, it is a really good thing. And it has vitamin C as well in the ginger, plus the lemon that you're going to use, and the apple as well, plus honey. And you need to make this. You need to try this. And the purpose of me sharing this information is that you do it at home. So it really helped me with boosting my energy, or kind of gives me a lot of some energy. Let me not say a lot. It does give me some energy because I was using the ginger shot at work. You know, kind of like that time when you're about to go home, but it's not yet time. You still have 3 hours left. So I take my shot. I have small bottles where I put them, and I take one bottle is equal to a shot, and that's just, I take it, and it really helps. I'm not saying you all of a sudden jumping around and say, oh my gosh, I can work until tomorrow. No, I still want to go home. I pretty much peel my gingers, and I'm just going to rinse them. I made a mess, my water just splashed. And cut it up. There are still some ginger skin, but it won't hurt. my sift here that I'm just putting on top of my blender so I can squeeze and it will catch the kernels from the lemon that I don't want to blend in there. And with the cayenne pepper, I'm just going to use like that much. Boom. And then with the honey, I'm not good at measuring stuff, but I think I'm going to put on just about 2 tablespoons. I think that's 1. That might be 2. And you guys know that honey is good for you as well. And here goes my water. Look at that. Goes my water. And here goes the lid. And now plug it in. There we go. So I'm gonna put this over here. And look how it squeezes out, and it has a nice yellow color from that turmeric that I put in. This little stuff just makes a lot of color, you see. So here's to good health. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and click on your notification bell so that you can be notified next time.